Now, the other place that I would recommend that you do not spend any time are these online forums. Um, I mean, the two biggest problems I have with these forums is number one, they're just massive negativity on them. I mean, these are like littered with all of the people. I call them internet cowboys. These are all the guys that are guys, and I say guys because I don't know of any women that are like this, but all the guys that are in their mom's basement, keyboard warriors, and they've never gone out in the real world and actually done any of this stuff. Everything is all theory. It's like, oh, you could never do this. And they all have this. If you think about the moderators on these forums, they moderate for free, and they respond to everything and post everything, and they have this massive power because they can ban people and delete posts and do all this stuff. And they're king in their little kingdom. And anything they say goes, and people respect anything they say. But I've talked to a lot of these guys, and it's like, hey, you can do that. And they're like, oh, that's impossible. You can't do that. And I was like, how do you know? And they're like, well, because if you could actually make that much money, I would have done it. Like, well, not from your basement, brother. You got to get out there. And it's just crazy. So and that negativity just bleeds through everything. If you guys have ever been on these forums, you know what it's like. The other thing is just the wrong information that's out there. It blows my mind. Like, you can go to a lot of these forums, and they will say unequivocally, if you're going to take your drone on an airplane, you 100% must check your batteries and your check luggage. Never, ever, under any circumstances, bring the batteries on board with you. It's a federal law, and you'll go to prison. And it's just like, it's flat 100% wrong. It's just like AI, if you guys use Gemini or Grok or ChatGPT or any of this stuff. I mean, especially around the drone stuff, a lot of the stuff that's there is just wrong. It's just wrong information. But I get it, because if you think about what the AI is doing, is it's just combing the internet and gathering the information there. It's going to all the Reddit, all the deep dark corners of Reddit, and pulling up what every idiot wrote on Reddit and all this other stuff that's on all these different places, and they're just spouting it as fact because it doesn't know the difference. And so you have to kind of think about it. And so I try and stay away from these as much as possible. But if there is some kind of systemic problem that's going on, like if drones are falling out of the sky or something, and usually I'll go to the manufacturers forums and get a solution there. But I might go and check them out. Other than that, but I would really caution guarding your brain to only try and keep the positive stuff coming in. There's plenty of other negative stuff out there, and probably a lot of it coming from yourself, right? So you don't need to add additional negativity and just flat out wrong information. So just want to caution you on that. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure and click the button below to subscribe, and be sure and hit the thumbs up button. All right, for more free resources to help you build your drone business, visit thedroneboss.com in our resources section. To fast track your success, be sure to check out our 3-day live total immersion event at Drone Command Live. You can click somewhere around here or below in the description. All right, take care and fly safe.